All right, let's take a peep into the crypto market with Ladi. Well, there is still a lot of pullback in that crypto market. Ladi, by the way, did I hear someone say crypto will cause the next financial crisis?
Yeah, that's another big one there. You know, this is I keep calling it the FUD season in the crypto market. So this is from he deals in metals, and he has been in the market for a long time, and he says that what he sees, with the crypto market, that it could lead to a massive financial crisis. But crypto doesn't have many fans. Let's look at the fear greed index. Extreme fear today, 21 points. Look at the market cap, $1.60 trillion traded this morning, down about 5.87%. 24-hour volume is down 18.11%. Bitcoin dominance, 43.16, up about 0.82% this morning. The price of Bitcoin, 36,889 this morning at 8 a.m., down 3%. 24-hour volume, $41.40 billion traded. Bitcoin is looking rather weak in the short term. It is still holding this 30 range, but some traders believe it could go as low as 31,000, by this weekend. Who knows? And now look at price of Ethereum, $2,555, down 6%. Let's talk to Michael Enaji, our digital market analyst. Hello, Michael.
Hey, Ladi, how are you? Good afternoon. Happy Friday.
Good morning here in Nigeria. How's it going? Well, Michael Saylor is proposing a Bitcoin mining council to, tackle the concerns with mining Bitcoin. But some analysts believe it's taking away the decentralized nature of cryptocurrency. What do you think?
So what I think about that is it has a lot to do with the ESG concerns. So that's the environmental, social, and governance concerns that most companies are going to be facing. By 2025, ESG investing will be about 53 trillion thereabouts of 153, about a third of all the money under capital under management by professional investors. It's going to make about a third of that. And so going forward, you have this overall mandate that people who manage large institutional pools of money are supposed to be investing in sustainable projects and ideas. And fundamentally, the reason why you have Michael Saylor creating things like the Bitcoin Mining Council is you have investors who have this appetite for what's called a clean Bitcoin, basically a Bitcoin that's mined in just mined in a more sustainable way. Because frankly, with the court case that we just saw with Shell having in the Netherlands having to reduce their emissions by half, you can see ESG based investing having a big theme, and companies being divested from if they don't have a sustainable path forward. So it really is in Bitcoin's best interest to present a more green type of environment, because that's going to be the catalyst that brings all the institutional money in. Because frankly, right now with all the Elon FUD of Bitcoin being mined from unrenewable resources, we need to improve the overall optics of the industry, and maybe that has to be like a self-led movement. It's definitely needed. For the next wall of institutional money to come in, there definitely needs to be an ESG aspect to crypto to make sure that all the institutional participants coming in don't feel like they're hurting the planet, and they can look their blood in the face and say it's renewable.
All right. So, Michael, do you expect more FUD in the market, and how should retail traders be trading right now?
Yeah, I definitely expect more FUD going forward. Like Bitcoin is, it's a permissionless open network that requires no government to run it. And of course, moving forward, you're going to see institutions get scared by that, including governments themselves. So the FUD is expected. You're not going to become a $100 trillion asset by taking a walk in the park. There will be some fight, but ultimately the battle has been won. It's just a matter of adoption at this point. But yes, I'm 100% expecting more FUD. When Bitcoin is weak, I would expect people to fight it. It's just part of the game at this point. You hit us when you are the weakest, not when we're the strongest. So it makes a lot of sense that it's happening now, not when we're at all-time highs.
I guess it's time to have a diamond hand. So what do you see the price of Bitcoin going this weekend?
So I would say Bitcoin looks fairly weak to me on occasions. All indications are saying to me we're going. There's a chance we go lower towards about 20K. But the six-figure Bitcoin is still intact in the next 12 to 18 months. Just a situational awareness of knowing that the 4-year micro cycle might be lengthened. We might have a correction similar to 2013, 2014. There's a chance that there'll be a cool off for the next 6 months where we go back down to 20K. But, 6 figures is still intact in the next 12 to 18 months for one single Bitcoin. But there should be you should see some kind of cool off in the short run because it's been a very, hyper market since the beginning of the year.
Okay. All right, Michael. Thank you so much. Thank God it's Friday. Have a great weekend.
Thank you too, Laddie.
Yeah, so top auto market cap all down. BNB down 5%, $339. ADA down 8%. XRP below $1. Jimmy, not looking good.
Well, Laddie, if you promise me return on investment in this
not
market, I will run away. Remember what Ayodeji
Exactly.
said. Particularly this market, I would definitely run away. I guess the energy consumption of Bitcoin is actually taking a toll.
It is
on
taking a
the
toll.
market right now. So perhaps when they find a solution to that, maybe move to greener energy. Remember, that was the concern of Elon Musk there. In any case, as you continue to trade and play in this market, just be careful.
Nothing is guaranteed.
Absolutely. All right, that's it on the program for today and, of course, for the week. Thank you for watching. I'm Chimeze Obi Iwago.
And I'm Laddie Williams. Thank you for watching and have a great weekend.